Same as usual. Tingnan mo kasi. Naglinis kasi ang balkon. Nag-ano sila ng water. So, ayan. So, maganda. The weather is good. Very good ang weather.
It's cool down.
Which one?
This one.
No, it's not. I'm holding the... What's that? Oh, you see? You see? It's not. Remove only the dust. Because I cannot do shining this one because I'm not room. I'm not very room and I'm scared to be tough. So I just do this one. Okay? Look the security. Oh, that's what. Here, I'm not yet finished.
Meow security.
For who? For me? For what you do? Or for what I'm doing? Huh? It's okay. That is our work. That is my work. Oh. You finished? Are you sure? Okay, you'll remove your slipper. If you go inside, remove. You have socks, remove. Remove.
The duck too?
No, not the socks. The socks is clean, just the sandal slipper. Yan lang. She don't want to spend so much, you know. Minimum 5 minutes or 10 minutes only, and she finish. And though I cannot put too much in the water here in the balcony, kasi nga nandito na yung map na lang, at saka now I'm not doing map. I'm just make brush. Dahil Friday nga, so what I'm telling to you. It's Friday. Okay. Sheila, thank you again and bye-bye. See, that is very peaceful if Friday. Oh, nakautot. Oh, if Friday, it's very peaceful here. Oh, you see. Notice, oh, you see. Oh, sun is very good. The weather is very good. It's not too much cold. Okay. Ayan. Jitlin. There is a Jitlin. It's a Jitlin. Ayan yung Jitlin. Very nice yung Jitlin. Ayan na, nandoon na. Okay. Ayan na. Bye-bye again. Bye-bye.